Hi, I'm Tammy. So I am going to make a rosé crush today. We're going to add 3 ounces of rosé. Everybody loves rosé. That's why we say rosé all day. Next, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of orange juice and 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. And that's it. It's only 3 ingredients in this drink. So it is an easy drink to do. I'm going to shake it up. Shake. Get it all nice and frothy cold. And then we're going to pour it over ice in a pretty glass because we want it to look beautiful. Perfect. Then we're going to garnish it. I have a couple of oranges we're going to put in here. If I can get them in here next to the ice. A lot of ice in there. And then I have some cranberries. Maybe looking kind of festive in here. All right. Okay. There we go. Now we get to drink it. All right, guys, this is the best part. I get to take a drink. Cheers. It's delicious. This drink is so good. It's got some fruity notes, but it's refreshing. It kind of tastes like coming home. It's really good. I hope you try this, and I hope you have a nice romantic evening with it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.